Have you told people?
You can't. Don't ask, don't tell.
They're home now.
I told you.
Of course you did.
Really, you don't know? Or, like, kind of still want to get some ass on the side, don't know? How do I answer that?
Has the sweetest hands.
Oh no, sweet hands.
Sweetest
That gets you into trouble. Sweet hands and good sex, those get you into trouble every time.
And it's
Every
so
time.
awesome. And he's so sweet. Have you seen him with his mother?
This looks like, oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
Yes, there's a gallery called the She Gallery. I know the owner of it. Well, you get a clientele. This gallery has the perfect clientele for this kind of work. It's a bit abstract expressionist meets a little bit of like environmentally open. You know, I think the landscape thing works, but I mean, I see it as a landscape. I don't know if this was done out, upstate New York or something? Where were you? You said you were upstate.
Pennsylvania. Yeah. Just, closer to the lakes.
Pennsylvania. You know
No,
what?
please don't. Okay, look. You have to know, this is like my heart, right?
Yeah, of course.
And just, please don't just be saying that because we're friends and,
No, my God, I think you're super talented.
Really?
You know what? This guy Marcel is gonna like it. You're gonna help. You've got to help me
gosh.
package this for you. She's a natural. God, it's so clear. I can't believe you've only been painting for like a year and a half. I totally thought it was a hobby for you.
It just kind of came out, And I feel so at home when I'm painting. It's like, whatever I'm dealing with, whatever I'm doing, if I'm just alone with my work and the paint and it just comes on and it's like something is born every time. And I love this so much. I would be willing to give up anything to just paint.
Have an extra place if you really want to come. I can keep the lease a little bit longer.
I can't believe this. What about my dad?
It should be fine.
What about my dad?
We'll talk about it later. Let's go back.
And my brother.
I know, it's amazing.
This probably is the worst time for me to tell you this.
Let me guess, you're leaving.
Well, if you put it like that, oh my gosh.
I can't. I'm tired of being left.
I'm always going to be here for you. It's just the girls saw my work and they think I actually have a chance in New York.
Why'd Mom leave us?
I'm not Mom.
So you gotta stay. I can't even talk to Dad anymore. Tell him I'm gay, he doesn't even know who I am.